Massive rally for Jasmy is coming and it will be here sooner than you guys might think. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again because I believe that a huge rally is coming, and I personally believe that this move is something which no one really expects Jasmy to make, but this move is going to be happening and it's going to be here very soon. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and for those of you who are new, I just want to explain that I believe this price point right over here was the bear market low for Jasmy. Now this came in at a price of about 0.0027. From this moment onwards, we started forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. We pumped up in a wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2, and then when we were progressing towards our wave 3 target of about 0.01, we saw this immediate sell-off coming for Jasmy coin. Now this was basically because of some bearish news which we heard from Binance, and in some of the articles Binance introduced that basically they are going to be putting Jasmy in an innovation zone. Now a lot of people misread that and they thought that Jasmy is going to be getting delisted. However guys, I just want to explain to you one single thing. 50% of the entire supply of Jasmy, which rounds about at about 25 billion in Jasmy tokens, is being held by Binance themselves. Now guys, Binance US and Binance are two different entities. So basically all the actions which are being taken by Binance US and not Binance themselves. So I hope I made some sense over there, but basically Binance US only holds about 1% of the supply, while Binance holds about 50% of the supply. So Binance will never be ever really delisting Jasmy at all, because a huge part of their money has been invested into the project. Anyways guys, if I show you guys this movement towards the upside within this third Elliott wave, you will be able to see that if we take this bottom as the second wave, as the starting of the wave number 1, we came up in wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2, we then pumped up in a wave number 3. However guys, right now we are seeing this massive drop for Jasmy, and that is basically because of the selling pressure, which I just explained to you why we are really having that. Now the two most important support levels for Jasmy to hold is located around this level right over here, or say these two blue lines. The first blue line is around this wave 1 high, which is at a price of about 0.0083. Now the support level for Jasmy is located around the wave 2 bottom, which is at a price of about 0.0043. Now guys, from this chart you can see that even though we got this massive selling pressure for Jasmy coming in, even still we basically did not really break below this level, and this still proves us that the move towards the upside is still the most likely one, as compared to the public who still believes that Jasmy is going to be going to zero. Now guys, let me show you some of the indicators, because they are indicating us something really interesting. So guys, at this moment, if we check out the charts for Jasmy, let me first check out the RSI. So guys, on the RSI, we are on 36 on the RSI scale, which is really good because we are slowly recovering. However, we are still in that selling stage, and the selling stage is not being over yet. if we check out the MACD indicators right over here, you will be able to see that the selling pressure is getting little bit weaker. Now I know a lot of you all might be saying that the selling pressure, even though it's getting weaker, it's not that what we likely expected Jasmy to do. The selling pressure is still really high. But guys, one thing which really motivates me for Jasmy is that this RSI level right over here, which came in at about like 20ish, was the only time Jasmy was able to hit this level. And the last time Jasmy did hit this level was somewhere when the bottom for Jasmy came in at a price of about 0.0028. So I personally believe that a massive rally for Jasmy will be following us really soon, but only time will tell how things play out. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups which have helped me to make some serious amounts of money in the past couple of months. Now guys, within my trade signal, you will be able to find the exact time when you need to enter a trade and the exact price targets where you guys should be taking your profits at. Now my group is growing steadily and we are seeing some really good success within my group. So if you guys want to check it out, the link to it will be down in the description. But guys, before signing up, I just want to show you guys the results of my trade signal group which we have been able to achieve in the past couple of months. So guys, let me show you the two most recent trades. Right over here you can see we secured profits of about 385% on just one single trade. Right over here you can see we secure profits of about 268%, and even if I scroll above, you will be able to see that we have been locking profits left and right. Right over here you can see profits of 86%, profits of 139%, and the list goes on and on. Now guys, if I show you guys the monthly recap for the last month, you will be able to see that in the last month we took 12 trades in total. In these 12 trades, we were profitable every single one of the time. On some trades, we got a profit of about 20%, while on others, we got a profit of over 300%. I plan to make things even crazier inside my trade signal group. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys follow the link in the description and sign up as soon as possible. This is how a trade signal basically looks like. So first of all, I mentioned what type of position I am taking. So whether it's a long position or short position. After that, I mentioned the risk factor that is involved inside the particular trade, the token which we are trading, the amount of leverage which we are using. Right over here, you can see the entry price in which you are going to be basically taking the trade from. And right over here, you can check out the targets. So we have two targets in this particular trade, and you will be able to see that we were able to hit both of these targets in the future, which is really good to see. Now guys, apart from the trade signals, inside my group, I also post technical analysis, various business opportunities, coins which are on my radar, my portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto space and who are serious about making money within the crypto space. I personally believe if you follow my advice in this group, you can easily go from making, let's say, about $200 to about $300 every single month to about $1,000 to about $5,000 every single month on the basis of your investment size. We are seeing some really good success, and I have been repeating that constantly because I personally think that my group is the best possible value you can be receiving for your money. And if you don't believe me, you can just check out the results for yourself, and the results speak for themselves, so I'm not going to be saying anything more. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another Jasmy update video. Peace out.